Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. I made this video because I noticed that French parents speak to their kids in a different way from American or English parents. French parents tend to be a lot more sarcastic with their kids, and they have these ready-made expressions that they use for different situations. So I'm going to show you a few of them. When we were in a bad mood, our parents always used to say, "Mange des carottes, ça rend aimable." Eat carrots, it'll make you nicer. Now, every child I know, and me included, used to absolutely hate carrots. So that wasn't exactly an effective piece of advice, but that's what they all used to say. When we used to forget to turn the lights off, our parents never said, switch the lights off. They would say something like, "C'est pas Versailles ici." Hey, we're not in Versailles Castle here, which is really funny and really sarcastic. Every child knows what that means. When we're having a tantrum, this is really sarcastic and quite rude. They used to say, "C'est ça, pleure un coup, tu pisseras moins." Which translates as, "Go on, cry for a bit and you'll piss less." Very sarcastic. The next situation, say you're blocking their view, you're standing in front of the telly, for instance, which is something kids like doing. The parents won't say, "Can you move over?" They'll say, "Et ton père, il est vitrier?" Which means, "And your father, is he a glazier?" Which is, I really like this one, it's really funny. And every French child will know what that means and then move over. When we didn't want to eat our dinner, and specifically soup, which we all used to hate, our parents used to say, "Si tu manges pas ta soupe, tu vas pas grandir." If you don't eat your soup, you won't get bigger, which we knew was complete rubbish, because we knew kids who never ate soup and grew up to be very tall. But it's one of those things that parents tell you, so you eat your food, basically. When we've been naughty, that's something that only exists in French, as far as I can tell. Instead of saying a child, "Go on a naughty step," we used to be told, "Au coin," in the corner. So you had to stand in the corner of the room, with your back to the room, your hands behind your back, and you wait there till you're told you can come back in the room, which is really weird. And teachers used to do that to us in the class as well, and that was quite shameful, to be honest. Another thing adults used to tell us, for instance, when we used to squint, we used to do that a lot as kids for fun. And they used to say, "Si le vent tourne, tu vas rester comme ça pour toujours." If the wind turns, you're going to stay like this forever. Then when we used to lie too obviously, our parents would say, it's a little bit rude, but they'd say, "Et mon cul, c'est du poulet?" Is my ass made of chicken? It's very sarcastic, but very effective. Every child knows what that means in France. And that's all for today. Please give me a like and subscribe if you're not already a member. And I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt.